Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fisner. How you doing, guys? So today we got a 4K Android TV, which is made in China, of course, as you would probably imagine, and it's overseas only. I can't go overseas, I'm overseas. Voila. That's a first glance. It came several days ago and I was waiting to tidy up a room space here, which I didn't have. I still didn't tidy up everything, but at least I've made a progress. So it's a plastic, but it's sort of silky touch. Okay, so this Android box has two USB ports, micro USB card on this side. This probably has a sensor as well for the remote, nothing here. And here we've got a charging, power port, Ethernet cable, LAN, and here is a AV and IR. Oh, so there will be a cable for the remote. I love opening boxes, so hopefully we can do more of it in the future. So that's a power supply and it uses 5 volts and 2 amps, so 10 watts. That's the HDMI cable, which we don't need, and that's a remote. Probably batteries are not included because it was sent to the UK. So they knew what they were doing and they didn't send the batteries. I would be positively surprised, but and the user manual. That's it. No maths, no more, and voila. Okay, so let us plug it in. Okay, to the HDMI, if I can find it. So to the capture card, and let's connect this, because that's the power. 2 amps, that USB 2.0 even would work, or 3.0 better, yeah, because that's 10 watts actually. So, but I can see that I got a long HDMI cable, but the power cable is not so much, so let me put it through to here. Now I can connect it to here. Okay, so we get a light, and let's get X96. Okay, so that's the first thing we see. Don't know if you can see me or you can't see me. You can see me. Okay, so that's Android 10, I've been told, on eBay. 4K 10 and 100 meg Ethernet, Android 10 OS, OTA upgrade support, all-winner H313 quad-core ARM Cortex A53 CPU, high-performance multi-core G31 GPU. 4K supports video decoding up to 4K 60 frames per second and supports multi-format H.265 main 10 at L5.1 up to 4K 60 frames per second. Did you get bored and fall into sleep already? If not, I admire you. Okay, so what is shown here is multi-screen interaction. So it's capable of streaming screencasting, yes, so the TV box lets you play photos, music and videos from your smartphone or tablet computer on your TV, which is a good additive. Yes, so that's what's written here, and that's the second part. I don't know if you can see it clearly, but at least a glimpse of what it is here. Okay, so we need 2 AAA batteries. which I need to grab from over there. I'll pause it. To be true, if I would be just a slightly bit smart, I've got a whole box of remotes. Why I won't take batteries from one of them? I don't use them all the time anyway. Duh. Is it working? Yeah, it's working. Oh, I'm a really smart guy. I couldn't press something else. Whereas no, I did, you know, press that. Now I want to turn it on and I can't. Guys, I'm telling you, sometimes I'm so smart and sometimes I'm so not. So the question is, because the remote is quite, you know, quite okay. The question is, can I use a keyboard? Because if I can use keyboard, because that's Android, so I should be able. Oh, and the remote can stand as well. See? That's a nice thing. So let us see if it will see our network, wireless and internet. No network connected. Oh, it's only seeing. Okay, so I'd rather have, you know, I'll type it off cam. I'd rather have it 5G than 2.4G, but it is what it is. Okay guys, so it's connected successfully. Yes. So what we can do is, oh, the back button on the remote is here. I prefer it when it's here. Really? Excuse me. It has a Chrome, it has a YouTube, okay? Will it allow us to use non-signing, like a guest account, or will I have to sign in? Because that's the question. Oh no, actually. Okay, do we have a mute button? Because I don't wanna get, oh, there is like a mouse feature. Is it enter the mouse mode? But I don't enter the mouse mode. Okay, so it's not moving, it's just okay, so it's for the YouTube, for the Chrome browser, which makes sense to be true, but I prefer mouse as a mouse. Let's just play something so that okay, Beast reacts, doesn't matter to be true. Can be Beast react. I've got desktop audio off, that's good. Yes, so I don't see well clear blue. We don't need a clear blue now, do we? 7 years later. Okay, finally some. Skip that. Okay. If you see like not the best refresh rate, that's mainly because this capturing card is not the greatest. Yes, so guys, you would really have to have some TV here and then check it. So I'll check it offline, and if I'll see any issues, I won't post this video. But for now, you know, I see that it is working. So if you've got like a full HD TV, which is let's say outdated, don't have a smart TV, here you've got a good smart features. Yes, so let me guess 1 minute and I'll check eBay first. Okay, so I did check and it's a 2 gig of RAM and 16 gigabytes of storage, so it's not that bad to be true actually. And that's it when it comes to the specification. That should be 3D even. I get some smell. Oh, and when it's heating, it's mild warm. It's not hot in any way, but it's mild hot when it's playing video. So I don't know if we can get any okay, can we have some quality or captions, dislike, save, settings? Okay, quality, can we get max? Okay, because that doesn't make sense to have it at 480 if we can get at least 1K, whereas it should go for 4K, and that's Mr. Beast, so come on. And it has lags. So yeah, I'm just in freeze. Okay, so that you see, it's like you buying stuff, yes, and you think let's try other video. I know this will be over 10 minutes. I was trying to do 11, but no, I really want to do something like a 4K. Can I get 4K here? Let me switch and let me search. No, not Barbie. New comments available. Okay. Hello. "4K video example." So it doesn't have a microphone. Exactly. So you see, so that's another downside. Now, can we do can we do 4K here? Oh, there was 4K video. Costa Rica, very good. We don't need 8K, we just need 4K. And I want to see if this will freeze. That's all I want to see. Now as well, this capturing thingy. Okay, so that's a full screen. You see full screen. But we see it frozen, guys. So that's what it is. Cheap stuff, because I've paid for it like £20. Literally. X96Q Android 10. Still warm, mild warm, not hot. Below? No, below it's okay. It's at the top, it's mild. But guys, I'm playing this video, okay, and that's 4K, 60 frames per second HDR, Ultra HD. I don't see it moving, so really? Okay, now 4K. Okay, so it's stable. It is stable. But it's frozen. Why? It shouldn't freeze. You see, that's what are those cheap Android ones, yes? So better to pay a bit dearer, better spend more money, but don't buy the cheapest ones, because as you can see, you need to refund them later. And what's my return? Returns. Buyer pay for return postage. But it is not working. So I will ask for a replacement. Yes, I want a replacement because this should work. Switzerland, another one, Ultra HD. let's check another one. I know my card is capable of doing 4K, so skip that. Oh, that's what I would expect. Yes, this way, but not freezing suddenly after some time. So it's okay for some seconds and then it's freezing. Actually, no. On this video is okay. I would still say don't buy the cheapest ones. Guy wrote that it's cheaper only because they are selling off their stock, and that's why it's cheaper. Yes, it's clearance stock, hence price, all brand new and boxed. Cheapest seller on eBay with stock in hand here in the UK. For this quality, guys, really you want to be Ebenezer Scrooge and save up few quid? I would say no. With 2 gig of RAM, I would say that can be a problem, yes, but you see this video actually works fine. So I don't know, is it my network or is that, do you have any better experience with them? Because I've got some, like I've got a good LG TV with a new backlight. You can see that over there, this one, this, and you know, this Android box would work fine. I've got a Finlux over there working as well. So I've got 2 TVs working right now, and I want to fix more of them, and not all of them are smart TVs, so that's why I was thinking, you know, why not? But anyways, what other test I would do, I don't know. I did, you know, this was the basic test I could do. That's a 4K video, and this should be capable of doing 4K videos. I could test micro SD card, but what's the point? I could test the USB, but what's the point? I don't see any infrared cable, which I thought there will be. I see only this HDMI cable. So I think that's it, yes, for the test. If you have any questions or if you want me to do more tests on it, I will keep it here for now, because you know, I want to test it well, yes, and when I will test it, if customer would want to buy it with a TV, I need to have it. That's why, you know, that's why I want to keep it. But I'm happy that suddenly it's working. I don't know, maybe that needed just, you know. Okay, another video. He's back. Who? The Porsche pirate, look. Okay, what it is an ad or what? Okay, so it's, you see, it's not the best. It's freezing as well. Don't know what it is. I don't know what it is, by the way. You know, like I thought that thieves get caught in 4K, what happened is shocking. Okay, well, it's not shocking, it's not 4K. That's what I want to establish. Of course, it's a quality 720p. What we want, guys, is this. Yes, that's what we want. Will it work? Or this won't even load? Should I send 1-star rating on eBay for this one? It can't even load. Well, don't buy cheap ones. Buy, the spec should be better. It's better to do better research, you know, because you'll waste 20 minutes and at least you know. You see? That's what it is, guys. So, okay. Anyways, hopefully you get a lesson out of it. Hopefully you see that spending too cheap on those Android boxes is not the way to go. And thank you for watching. If that's any value for you, you've learned something, please do like. Here are likes to you, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.